You've probably used AI tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, or Claude already, maybe to write something faster, brainstorm ideas, or get quick answers. But do you actually know how to get the most out of AI for your work and daily life? Most people are just scratching the surface. They're using AI, but not really leveraging it, missing out on massive productivity gains, or worse, using it incorrectly and getting misleading or false results, opening them up for big problems by sending the wrong information, financial risk, and breaches of AI regulation and data security. And with AI changing everything from our personal to professional lives, the people who understand it will have a massive advantage, and the ones who don't risk falling behind. That's why we created this course, a complete guide to AI literacy, designed for everyone, including you. This course is led by Michael James, an AI and data expert with over 15 years of experience working with real-world systems, data, and business applications.
Hi, I'm Mike, a professional AI consultant since 2018, course creator and live teaching instructor, and I'm excited to help you to actually understand AI, not just how to use it, because once you get it, everything changes. This isn't just theory though, you will see real demos, real use cases, and practical workflows that you can use right away. Here's just some of what you'll learn in this course. The capabilities and limitations of modern AI tools, how to write powerful prompts that get better results every time, how to spot mistakes and hallucinations and misinformation, how to use AI safely and responsibly and ethically, how to build your own custom AI tools and agents, how to automate tasks and workflows without coding, how to use AI inside tools like Google Workspace and Microsoft Office using Copilot, and how to apply AI in your real work starting immediately.
From professionals and business owners to students, creatives, and teams, if you want to understand AI and actually use it to your advantage, this is the course for you. Start building the skills you need to thrive in the age of AI.